Bitcoin has been moving sideways for the past 6 months. If you know how to swing trade, you can benefit from this price movement. Pero paano kung hindi ka marunong mag-trade? Meron pa bang ibang paraan para kumita sa crypto? Isa sa popular way to earn in crypto is through validator nodes and guardian nodes. A validator node proposes and produces new blocks in the chain. In short, sila yung mga nagva-validate ng mga transactions sa blockchain, while guardian nodes seal blocks and act as check on malicious or non-functional validator nodes. In short, sila yung pulis sa network. Kung may mga sablay na validator nodes, sila yung tagalinis. This coming September 4 to 16, there will be 1,000 Hela Guardian node na available for sale sa Hela network. Ano ba ang Hela Guardian nodes? They are critical for the network security and stability, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. By running a node, you're directly contributing to the growth of Hela ecosystem while earning rewards. Ano ba yung mga makukuha ng mga magpa-participate dito sa Guardian nodes? Isa po dito is early access to limited nodes plus priority airdrops of Hela tokens and other partner tokens, exclusive OG recognition sa Hela community, and you'll also share the 12% of the total Hela supply over 4 years plus additional tokens if your node monitors dApps. Magkano naman ang tosgas dyan, Tito? The nodes will be sold for 0.12 ETH each on Arbitrum network starting September 4 on Upswap. If you're interested in participating dito sa sale ng Hela node, you can go over to upswap.finance/Hela-node. Ito po yan. Connect nyo lang po yung inyong wallet and pwede po kayo mag-purchase nito, yung Hela node Tier 1. Disclaimer lang, please read and study before participating. Only put money you can afford to lose. Lalagay ko po lahat ng mga links sa description and comment section ng ating video. Good luck, mga titos and titas!